Hi there, and welcome to this course titled Azure Storage Accounts. In this first lesson, we're going to take an introduction to the course and the instructor. And speaking of your instructor, let me introduce myself. My name is Jeff Brown. I've been a system administrator, primarily working in the Microsoft space with technologies like Windows Server, Exchange Server, Skype for Business, Office 365, and I'm a big fan of PowerShell. I hold several certifications, including Microsoft's MCSA and MCSE, as well as a few Azure certifications. I enjoy hiking and visiting national parks, as you can see in some pictures on the right. If you have any questions about this course, or you just want to chat about technology subjects, you can find me at my blog at jeffbrown.tech or on Twitter at jeffwbrown. But enough about me, let's get into what this course is all about and who it is for. I feel this course is for anyone who might be working in Azure. Whether you are a cloud administrator, architect, or developer, there are going to be concepts in each lesson that can apply to each of these roles. Now let's take a look at some of the prerequisites we need before we get started in this course. First, I would recommend an introductory knowledge of Azure, such as concepts found in the AZ 900 exam. We have an excellent course here on Cybrary that covers this, and I recommend going through it or at least having familiarity with some of the subjects in it. Next, I would definitely be comfortable working inside the Azure Portal. We're going to be working in there, creating our storage accounts, and messing with some of the configurations throughout this course. Finally, you're going to need access to some type of Azure subscription, whether it's your own using pay-as-you-go, or maybe you have credits through an option like Visual Studio, formerly known as an MSDN subscription. You also have the option of signing up for a free account for the first month up to $200 in credits, as well as additional free services for the next 12 months. You can sign up there by going to aka.ms/Azure Free. And I'll recommend that if you do sign up for this Azure Free and there's an option for support later on, be sure to select the option of not needing any support contract. You won't be needing that while you are learning these concepts inside your Azure Free subscription. Next, let's talk about my learning objectives for you. In this course, we're going to talk about understanding storage account configuration options so we know what to select when we go create our storage account. We'll look at creating various storage account services and how they can meet our different business needs. We'll look at securing access to storage account services, which is hugely important with cloud services, as we see breaches with these every single day. Finally, we're going to talk about how we can manage uploading data into our storage accounts. That does it for this first lesson. It's very short. In this lesson, we talked about our course overview, our instructor introduction. We took a look at our prerequisites for the course, and as well as our learning objectives of what we'll be covering. Coming up next, we're going to go into our first module and talk about understanding our storage account configuration options. See you in the next episode.